Hello, my name is Liana, and I'm here to demonstrate how to use the Peanut Doppler 2-in-1 with digital fetal heart rate display in numbers and wave formats from the comfort of your home. This monitor was created with you and your baby in mind, so that you can experience peace of mind as you move through your pregnancy. The moment you hear your unborn baby's heart rate for the first time during your pregnancy can take your breath away. This prenatal monitor is safe to use and is certified in more countries than any other pocket Doppler. Your Peanut Doppler comes with everything included: the Doppler unit with speaker, headphone jack, LCD screen, Doppler gel to reduce static, complete manual, and 2 AA batteries. And now for the fun part. First, make sure to load the included batteries, and then I'm going to start with the ultrasound gel, placing it just above the pelvic bone so we can start looking for the heartbeat. I want to be fairly generous with the gel because it helps reduce static and makes finding the heartbeat a lot easier. Then, I'm going to take the probe and place it on top of the gel as I work on finding the baby's heartbeat. Babies move quite a bit sometimes, doing somersaults and playing hide and seek. So if you don't find the heartbeat right away, you can always take a breather and come back later. And there's the baby's heart rate. As you can see from the monitor, you can actually see the sine wave, just like the doctors use. Additionally, you will see the baby's heartbeat in numbers, wave, and in color. Now you know how to use your new Peanut Doppler from home.